Hey, and welcome to How Rich Does It. Today is May 12th, 2020, and today is the 12th day of my weight loss journey, and it's going pretty good. Today I just finished a 26-hour water fast, and I just had a light meal after that. This morning's weight check-in was 200 pounds, so I believe that is right around 12 and a half pounds since the first of the month. So pretty much I'm averaging a pound a day, which is about what I expected. I think in maybe day 4 or 5 video, I believe I had mentioned that I was expecting to lose about a pound a day, sometimes a little bit more once I get exercise involved. If you haven't watched any other of my videos, I'm doing the first 30 days of my weight loss journey without any exercise whatsoever. I just want people to see that you can still really lose a lot of weight without exercising. I mean, look, right now, like I said, I'm averaging a pound a day. So hopefully you can watch some of my other videos and you can see what led up to this and how I'm working this program. I believe it's something pretty unique. I haven't seen it at all anywhere on the internet. And I'm just combining, all these different methods of weight loss. And I made just one system that's working for me based upon everything that I did last year. So give me a thumbs up if you like this. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Take a couple of seconds, hit that subscribe button, and share my videos with someone that maybe be interested in one of the different types of weight loss methods that I'm using. If you go back and check out some of the beginning videos or the introduction, it pretty much goes over everything that I'm going to be doing, and how I'm doing it is just going to be in these vlogs on a daily basis for the first 30 days. So tomorrow, more than likely, I'm going to be doing a salad, which will be a OMAD style. Will be my one meal for the day. So more than likely, I will be having that meal somewhere between 4 and 6 p.m. tomorrow. Be just a really large salad. And based upon that, I might do juicing for the following 2 days after that. So we'll just see how all that goes. So anyway, I hope everyone is doing well. And as always, be kind to one another and be safe out there. Goodbye.